G'day viewers, well, I went shopping in my favourite paradise again. Guess what I got? No, here's my original. There's the company for that one. Exactly the same, it's a bit less damage than I thought. It's got a bit of a bent insulator bit. The gap shouldn't affect the voltage. Exactly the same, identical to that one. The other two here, these are completely snapped off. So he actually has 4 of these. These are the 2 best ones he had. So, what he wants, anyway, he wants to cut one of these open and see what it's like inside. I've already told him about all the research I've done on this, being non-PCB, so that's the main thing. It's all biodegradable stuff in there. It's just hard to wash off your skin and it smells quite strong. But the good thing is it's not toxic at all. No PCB. Anyway, that's I got that. That's going to be paralleled with that one. He's also I got some bus bars on order. He's going to give me some nice big thick chunks of copper. It's some heavy duty cable, probably a bit thicker and chunkier than this one. I'm going to put some metal steel pipe to bolt those and those together, and that'll make this nice and secure, the bank. Then I get some the bus bars obviously going to be the what I'm going to connect these together with, and try and make a big switch and a big pull spring loaded setup. Nice big chunky switch. Also got this, a hell of a lot cheaper than I originally thought. Man, the USA Space Labs Inc. There are charging regulators. Nice high voltage warning symbol there. It's got a shitload of power substation warning signs, high voltage warning signs, everything. All XXX stuff. Got some nice antique ones, but unfortunately he collects each and every single one of them. But if he gets any surplus, he's going to let me know. I'm going to hopefully have some good high voltage warning signs for my man cave. SLA batteries in there, which are most probably completely shagged. I'll try and see if I can make use of this as a good benchtop power supply. Get a really good rectifier and put my UPS transformer in, and some filter caps, and this will be a good benchtop power supply. Those batteries are going to be shagged obviously. Haven't seen voltage in that long. But that's probably going to make them scream and squeal. There's only a battery charger obviously. Should have mentioned that first, shouldn't I? Battery pack, and that goes in your whatever yeah, say a bloody big light, flashlight or something like that. It's a pretty good battery charger. I can make a good power supply out of this unit. Sealed rechargeable battery. Yeah, I'm guessing they'll be buggered. If we find what voltage and everything this thing puts out, I could probably wouldn't be much current, but either way, I got a bloody good enclosure to put my UPS battery power supply in here. Make a good power supply put inside this box. Might even put some panels on there, amp meter, and put a ZVS drive in here like Anthony High Voltage on yours does. Got a nice enclosure. It's all pretty well made. It's got a lead hooked up to it in a variac. This thing was quite dirty in there, but I'll use a variac because this thing's seen some elements. Crank the variac up on 0, power on. Red lights are on, which means battery fault. Yeah. Batteries are not coming out. They're definitely SLAs. They're swelled up to the point they're jamming up in the front casing. We cannot get them out. So they're buggered. Anyway, it's a nice power supply though. Either way, I could somehow make use of this, even at least the case. Wonder, yeah. Obviously it's not going to work as a standalone power supply, that charging circuit, but we'll see what happens. It's got 3 connectors on the back for the batteries, but to pass that test, anyway, I'll try and keep, after I make the front panel, to try and get these batteries out. They're swollen so damn bad. It's turning out to be one very well made, high quality SLA battery charger. That's all this is. There's a better look at the circuit board here, try to be very careful with it. Still works okay. Got a charging circuitry. It's even got Sprague orange drop, or Sprague orange electrolytics. Good quality stuff. They're made in Taiwan, but still, Sprague at the top of the best of the best of the best for capacitors. Dale brand capacitor there. I think they're supposed to be pretty good as well. This is all very good quality stuff. Some Motorola diodes there. Some adjustments. Very well made. Copyright 1989. Let's open this battery packs up. Very nicely made transformer. Good quality capacitors. Tip 31, that'd be the regulator. Some rectifier diodes, doesn't use a bridge rectifier, just ordinary diodes. A socketed ST brand LM723ON. Current limit adjustment. Interesting. There's a main regulator transistors. This might make a good power supply, I reckon. 6 volt, 3.2 amps, 3.2 amp hour. These are plastic that wrapped around the batteries is what's jammed it. That got tore up. So let's open these up and have a look at the batteries inside. Contain toxic materials. Typical with all battery packs, shrink wrap. That can go in the bin. And there's our 6 volt cells. 6, 12, 18, another 18. If front of theirs are okay, would have been a good 36 volt power supply from his FVS. Yeah, they're all shagged. Damn it, they're too small to make terminal covers out of as well. Porter lack. Rechargeable, dried out SLA batteries. Japan storage battery co limited, made in Japan. I sprayed the whole thing with silicon spray like mad to try and free him up so I can get him out of that charger, so. Worked to an extent. Yep, got a 1989 a date code. Fused. Those batteries are well past shagged. They googled to buggery. Yeah, they're all swollen and split and dried out. They may whistle and squeal if I connect them to a rod or so. We'll see what happens. Interesting stuff though. Interesting stuff. This thing's made for quality. This will make a good power supply enclosure. So see how this charging circuit goes for current wise. Main output comes out of there. Yeah, not designed to push out amps, probably about 2 or 3 amps if that. 985. Date code. To do some tests. There we are, it's basically what's inside these little things. Interesting company, those Space Labs. This must have powered something bloody high, some high-tech bit of equipment that would have powered. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.